Acquisition of knowledge is one of the outcomes of the learning process. The other outcomes have something to do with acquisition and the development of skills, attitudes, values, and a lot more. Among these, however, knowledge is basic. One must have knowledge, for example, before he can develop certain attitudes or skills. Declarative knowledge is the information acquired that one can speak about. It's all about the things we know or can declare. These are facts and events that can be stored and easily recalled. For example, the radius of the Earth is about 6,500 kilometers. Ice is less dense than liquid water, and Friday is the day after Thursday. Procedural knowledge is knowing how to do a certain task. This is knowledge that a person knows to do, which can better be expressed by doing it than explaining. For example, riding a bicycle. Declarative knowledge is like saying, "Make me a cake." It's knowing the facts or information. On the other hand, procedural knowledge is knowing how to do something. For example, mix 3 cups of flour, 2¼ cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 sticks of butter, ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of milk, and 8 large egg whites. Then bake at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Functional knowledge is any piece of stored information that can be adapted and applied to different circumstances or is transferable to different settings. For instance, information integration is the practice of consolidating data from disparate sources into a single dataset. The ultimate goal is to provide users with consistent access and delivery of data across the spectrum of subjects and structure types, meeting the information needs of all applications and business processes. Another example is a data warehouse, which is a type of data management system designed to enable and support business intelligence activities, especially analytics. There are other ways of classifying knowledge. One type is episodic knowledge, which refers to biological memory, reflecting not only what happened, but also where and when it happened. Examples include reminiscing about your first kiss, recalling your first day of school, knowing the name and breed of your first dog, remembering your wedding day, recalling the guests at your best friend's 18th birthday party, remembering your lab partner in college chemistry class, and remembering your first day on a new job. Another type is semantic knowledge, which deals with memories and information not tied to personal biographies. It is organized knowledge about facts, concepts, generalizations, and their associations. Examples include knowing that grass is green, knowing how to use scissors, understanding how to put words together to form a sentence, recognizing the names of colors, knowing how to use the phone, and knowing that April 1564 is the date on which Shakespeare was born.